Don't pass by me like that.
Hey, why are you shooting like that?
Don't pass by me like that. Go around next time. Call him. Don't pass me in the same lane. Don't come by me in the same lane.
What did you say?
No, go around. You. Damn it, mother. You f***ing sucker. Mother. Oh, yo, yo. What the hell?
What, did you even see me? You almost hit me. Roll down your window. Roll down your window. You're gonna flip me off? Look at it. You see the camera? Say hi to YouTube.
Got you on camera, pass on, double yellow.
Get off your phone, you f***ing idiot. Get the f*** off your phone. You're in the wrong f***ing lane. You cut me off. Get the f*** off. You're on your f***ing phone.
Don't put your hand on my car.
Bro, you almost hit me whilst you're on the phone.
See you, brother.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Don't touch my car.
He's on the phone driving. He was in the wrong lane. Calm down. You f off. It's got to do with you. Watch you asshole. Back up, back up. Back up.
What can I do for you?
Do you want to around?
You're the one that's around, dude.
You were in a red light and then you cut in front of me.
You're in
Didn't
the
you?
turn lane and then try to get in front of cars.
There's two lanes merging, you. Two lanes merging. One car, one car, one car,
And I was
one
in front
car.
of you and you speed up to try to get in front. See me flinch?
Next time I won't f***ing stop that close if you around.
Good influence in front of your kids, dude.
Yeah. Anytime you see an like this, f***ing knock him over his motorcycle. F***ing piece of I
Off.
too.
Off, dude.